Hey folks, Watson here from Watson's Reviews. Today we're checking out the UREVO CyberPad. A versatile and feature-packed smart treadmill. It's going to be a game changer for your home workout routine or your home office work routine. So let's set it up and check it out right about now. Right out of the box, the CyberPad already impressed me for two reasons. One, it has a sleek design with those cyber aesthetics and a smooth contoured alloy build that feels nice and sturdy. The second reason, there's no assembly. Just pull it out of the box, lay it on a flat floor, and plug it in. That's it. It also comes with an innovative remote that I'll cover later in the video. Oh, and a hex tool and some oil for basic maintenance down the road if you need it. But that's it. Now that we're up and running, let's run through its features. First, the treadmill boasts a quiet but powerful 2.5 horsepower brushless motor that supports speeds from 0.6 miles per hour to 4 miles per hour, giving you plenty of options for walking, jogging, or running. The motor, in addition to being quiet and dust-free, also cuts energy consumption by up to 15% versus similar treadmills, which is always nice. Save energy, save cash, win-win. There's plenty of room on the belt for running too. It's got a 30% larger running deck with a 2-to-1 body ratio, which will maximize workout space without taking up too big of a footprint in your home. I'm about 5'10" and you can see I can take a full stride and also have plenty of room from side to side. And while we're talking about the belt, the CyberPad has the HiveTech shock absorption system. It's an 8-point shock absorption system that reduces knee impact by up to 30%, which protects those valuable joints and ensures a smoother and safer workout. It definitely felt easy on my legs, but the fact that it was absorbing shock without bouncing up and down was what got my attention. It feels just really smooth when you're taking a stride. And I weigh about 160 pounds, but you've got a 265-pound max weight capacity, so there's plenty of room to spare. It's a tough, roomy treadmill that's built to last. One of the standout features, and probably my personal favorite, is the 0 to 14% auto-incline and decline capability. It uses UREVO's Megalift technology. It's very smooth. And this is fantastic for simulating outdoor terrain, engaging different muscle groups, and increasing workout intensity. The incline allows you to target your glutes and hamstrings more effectively, while decline mimics downhill running, which can boost your endurance and strengthen your stabilizer muscles. And using incline even enhances fat burning efficiency for faster results. Any keto fans out there? Yeah? I personally like walking upstairs for exercise, but it's not great on the knee joints. So this is a nice alternative, and I don't even have to leave the house. It's much safer too. And speaking of safety, the large, non-slip running surface provides comfort and safety during your workout. Nice. The portable design makes it easy to store when you're not using it. You just tip it up like this and wheel it into a convenient spot, and then back down again. That open front design makes it perfect to slide right under a standing desk so you can walk or run while you work. And they say that sitting is the new smoking, so you might as well get some exercise while you're working if you can, right? Yeah. Now, I mentioned earlier that intuitive remote control, so let's take a look at that. It's the industry's first LED display remote control. It shows you real-time data, such as your speed, and you can set the speed and incline, toggle the light on and off, the sound on and off, and start and stop the treadmill. So you can easily monitor your workout status, and you don't even have to look down at the treadmill. Very nice. And now, onto the UREVO app. The CyberPad's compatible with the UREVO app, which is a user-friendly platform that syncs nicely with Bluetooth. And through the app, you can access a variety of workout programs, you can track your progress, customize your routines. You can even do outdoor run simulations that has automatic incline adjustments. Very cool. The app also offers virtual running routes, which are incredibly fun and motivating and help break up the monotony of indoor workouts. Want to run through Central Park without having to go to Central Park? You can do that with the app. Great. And of course, the treadmill's built-in console down below is intuitive too. Features a clear LCD display. It shows all your workout metrics at a glance, like your speed, exercise duration, and even calories burned. And finally, if all the functionality and smart features aren't enough for you, you've got these really cool ambient LEDs. That's right. Got 3 ambient light modes, 256 RGB settings, so you can match any color to your workout rhythm, keep your exercise dynamic and engaging and cool looking. If green means go, what does red mean? Go faster, I guess. So all in all, the Revo CyberPad combines powerful performance, smart technology, and versatile features like the 14% incline-decline to help you achieve your fitness goals more effectively. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced runner, This treadmill adapts to your needs with the flexible setup and app integration, and it should be a fantastic addition to any home gym, office, rec room, etc., especially for those looking to elevate their indoor exercise experience. Elevate, get it? Thanks for watching. What a cool product from a great company. I'm really digging that cyber design and those LEDs. And it really delivers on those main features you'd expect from a good treadmill, plus all the innovations like the lighting, the app, the remote, and the auto-incline. And if you like this treadmill as much as I do, don't miss out. Get one today with a discount. The code is Watson12. See the links below. So stay active, and I'll see you in the next video. Watson out.